The race is no longer one-sided. Google's Gemini is rapidly gaining ground by leveraging scale across its ecosystem. And with Go founder Sergey Brin back in the office and actively driving the Gemini push, the competitive dynamics are shifting. Rachna Dhanrajani joins us now. Rachna, how exactly is Gemini changing the market?
Well, Google's Gemini is no longer playing catch-up in the global AI race. It is now steadily and structurally gaining ground on OpenAI's ChatGPT. Launched in late 2023, Gemini has expanded its share of the global AI chatbot market to around 14% by December 2025. This is up from single digits a year ago. ChatGPT still leads with over 70% market share, but the growth trajectory is clearly diverging. Gemini's user base has surged to 450 to 650 million monthly active users. This is up from under 100 million in 2024. Between August and November alone this year, usage grew nearly 30%, even as ChatGPT's growth slowed to low single digits. Now, analysts say Gemini is now adding users at 6 times the rate its closest rivals, and that the difference lies in distribution. Unlike standalone AI apps, Gemini is embedded across Google's Search, Android, YouTube, Gmail, and Workspace, giving it default access to billions of users. With 2.5 billion Android devices globally, even light daily use drives scale, as one can imagine. So technology has been a key inflection point. The November 2025 launch of Gemini 3 saw Google top most modal reasoning benchmarks, improve accuracy, and add real-time audio and video to the bot. Gemini is now trained and deployed entirely on Google's in-house TPUs, cutting inference costs and power use versus NVIDIA-dependent rivals, and that advantage is pretty much showing up in enterprise adoption. Gemini's APIs are estimated to be around 60 to 65% cheaper than comparable OpenAI models. This has helped Google's enterprise LLM share jump from 7% in 2023 to over 20% in 2025, and all of this is backed by scale. Alphabet has guided up to $93 billion in AI capex for 2025. Most of it is earmarked for data centers, networking, and custom chips. This has made Google one of the world's largest AI infrastructure investors. The momentum has clearly rattled rivals. OpenAI internally declared a code red, according to reports, reflecting concern over Google's distribution within its ecosystem. There's also a symbolic shift inside Google. Co-founder Sergey Brin has returned to hands-on technical work and is now a core contributor to Gemini. ChatGPT remains the market leader, but Gemini's rise shows that this is no longer just a model race. It's a battle for scale, cost, and ecosystem control. And on that front, Google's giant is clearly awake.
Right. Thank you, Rachna, for that update. On that note, we'll take a short break. Coming up.